Hello everyone, this is Stefan and you're watching SYGTECH. Welcome back for another video. So in today's video we have the Belkin 20K power bank, which I'm very happy to present you this bank. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this power bank a few days ago, and yeah, so let's see now what comes in the box. Actually, Belkin are very I don't know, at least for me, this is my first go for power banks. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I already bought few of their power banks, and actually I was using this 10K pocket for nearly a year, and I'm very excited because I can say this power bank is very good. Obviously 2 USB-A's and a micro USB here. 10K, very good. Actually I had two, but I give one to a member of the family, so I decided to buy the 20K now, and let's see if this is being improved, because now we have pretty much the same as the 10K, but the only difference is obviously the charging port is type C, and also the other difference is obviously the 10K I can charge up to 12 watts, I don't know what I say, volts. The 20K can charge up to 15, so this is interesting to see. But yeah, let's open it. Let's see now what comes in the box. I am gonna open the power bank with my funny unboxing knife, which I have here, so be careful. Actually, this is a small knife, but actually it's quite powerful. So let's open it and let's see what comes in the box. Obviously, I'm gonna put the box on the side. We have a user manual that you can check here. You can charge two devices in the same time. The USB Type-C is only for charging, so I'll give you the charging stats in a minute. Also, we have the power bank, and we have the cable. Actually, put this on the side. So type C to type A, that's a very small cable, which I think it's very good. You don't need a large one. And actually the power bank looks quite massive. I'll compare it now to the 10K just in a second. So I don't know if you can see 20K, quite massive, and this is the 10K. This is the comparison. So let me see if it's this is much better, so you can have an idea. Okay, so let me see now what are the port situations. So we have two type A and we have a type C here, nothing on the bottom, and we have a button here. If you press it, obviously indicates how much charge we have. So we have 75% from 20K. This is nice. I like it. It's not very heavy. According to Belkin, this is about 400 grams, so not massive, but we have a 20K, so this is pretty good in my opinion. If I'm honest with you, it's a little bit from the biggest side. I don't know if you can see, you know, 10K is more slim, more compact, but obviously this is 20K, so it's gonna give you more power, more juice in my opinion. So the charging time, so if you want to charge the battery, so if you use it flat, if there's no power, as Belkin says, fully charge up to 3 hours. So 3 hours depends what charging speed, what charger you use, what plug, but up to 3 hours. And also we have two USB-A. As Belkin says, if you use only one port, you can charge devices up to 15 watts, but if you use both, is gonna be 7.5 between both, so 15 in total. So just bear in mind if you decide to charge two devices in the same time. But I like it. It's again, it's a little bit big. My first impressions are nice. I like the logo. If you have the chance, get the silver one, because the black one is gonna get smudgy, and it's already smudgy. I do like this side here. It's quite nice. It's, I don't know, this is gonna scratch easy. But yeah, so interesting Belkin 20K power bank. This is gonna cost you around 35 pounds. I'm gonna put some links in the descriptions down below. But yeah, pretty interesting. I think it's been improved from the last year when this has been released, but it's big. So personally, I think you should buy this if you go for a long trip, or if you let's say on holiday or something. I think this is more compact if you want to use it. So we have 20K power bank, so it depends what devices can use. So I will demonstrate right now. So let's bring my tablet, my phones, and let's see how is the charging options now here. So let's see if it's gonna work. I'll be back just in a second. Alright, so let's try now the power bank. Let's connect my two devices here. So I have my Galaxy Tab S3. This thing is huge, obviously 10-inch tablet. I have my phone here, so let's try now. So I'm gonna use the cable that comes in the box, because obviously this is the Samsung Tab S3. It's a Type C. So let's see now if this is gonna work. So let's see if we can charge two devices in the same time, as Belkin says. As you can see, it's charging. This is a very good sign. And let's try with the iPhone now, and let's see if you have the same. Okay, perfect. So we can charge two devices in the same time, as Belkin says. Now the speed of charging for the both devices is gonna be equal, so 7.5 between two devices, like I mentioned earlier. So if you want to use just the 15 watt full power, obviously it's not full power, but still 15 watt is better than 7.5. You have to use only one device. This is as Belkin says. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think about this power bank. I like it. I'm pleasant to say that I like the Belkin stuff. My previous Belkin 10K is still working, and no complaints whatsoever. Like I mentioned, this is not sponsored video. The only issue, or it's not an issue, it's just the size is a little bit bigger. But again, this is very good if you're on away, and if you're for a couple of days on holiday or something. 20K, yeah, so you can charge your smartphones, your tablets. This is perfect for me, because when I travel with my camera, I can charge my batteries on my camera. On a go, I can charge my phone at the same time, tablet. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think about this power bank. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'm happy to answer any questions. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like. If you didn't enjoy it, thumbs down. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Why not, if you get a value of today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.